First of all, I just want to say it has been an amazing experience for us, and thank you for taking part in the Hywel Apprenticeship Academy Assessment Day. How do you think the assessment day went for you?
I think it went okay. I didn't feel like I expressed myself as much as I wanted to, but it was definitely an experience. I'm going to take away that today.
Never done anything like this before, so it was a really good opportunity just like to meet other people who were like-minded and that type of stuff as well.
And I just tried to be myself, so I think I did good for me.
I came here willing to give everything and I did, so.
With the interviews, you sometimes needed prompting, but once you were prompted, you had really good answers.
Yeah.
You were a very bubbly person. You were motivated. You were a bit quiet at the beginning, but we could see how you developed in confidence throughout the day. Your application form was lovely. The application form overall should be commended, so well done on that.
It's taken into account all the feedback we've discussed. It's not good news.
It's not good news. It's not good news.
No, that's okay.
It's great news.
Oh goodness, never mind.
But it's great news. So we would like to offer you...
Oh, thank you.
And I'd like to offer you a position on the Healthcare Apprentice Programme.
Are you serious?
I can't believe that.
Welcome to the team.
It's great news. We are going to offer you a place on the
Oh
Healthcare
my
Apprentice
God.
Programme.
And if you recall back at the assessment day, I asked you all to have a look around you, okay, because the room at that time was full of want-to-be apprentices for the health board. Around you now are the apprentices, okay, so well done. Give yourselves a round of applause.